Good morning, children. In today's class, we will learn chapter number 9, Air Around Us. So, let us discuss this chapter. Children, we know that all living things require air. Can you see air? No, you cannot see air, but you can feel its presence when the leaves of the tree rustle or the clothes hanging on the clothesline sway. Children, air can also be felt when pages of an open book begin fluttering as the fan switched on.
Children, the moving air is called wind, and it makes it possible for you to fly a kite, move sailboat, dries the wet clothes, and turns the blade of windmill.
Children, do you know that a gentle wind is called breeze? And do you know, children, a very strong and noisy wind is called storm. A storm can uproot trees and damage houses. Now let us discuss what does air contain. Children, wet clothes when kept under the sun become dry after some time. Do you know why? Because the heat of the sun changes the water present in the clothes into water vapor, and this water vapor mixes with the air around. Thus, we can say air contains water vapor. Now, air contains dust and smoke too. Children, smoke is given off when something burns it. Also come out of vehicles and factories. Children, the smoke mixes with the air around us. Now, air also contains germs. Children, germs from a sick person get mixed with the air when he or she sneezes. Dust, smoke, and germs make the air dirty. And do you know, children, the dirty air makes us ill. Now let us discuss the properties of air. Children, have you ever seen air? Do you know what is the color of air? No, we cannot see air. We can only feel it. And air does not have any color and shape. Children, air takes the shape of an object we feel into. There are 3 properties of air. Let us discuss one by one. Children, air fills space. What gives shape to a blown balloon or tire? When you blow air into the balloon or tire, the air takes up the space inside it, and it gives the balloon and tire its original shape. Few examples are pool ring and air chair. Now, air has weight. Children, to find this out, you will need a weighing machine and 2 balloons. Now, blow the balloons and put on the weighing machine and observe it. You can notice that both the balloons have equal weight. Now push a needle in one of a balloon. What do you observe? Children, the blown balloon goes down compared to
Deflated balloon.
it proves that air has weight. Now, air gives shape to things. Children, take 2 or 3 different sizes and shape of balloons and blow it. You can observe that as the air fills in different balloons, it takes the original shape of balloons. So, it proves air gives shape to things. Now, let us discuss the uses of air. Children, all the living things need air to breathe, and we breathe through our nose. And do you know, children, The fish breathe through their gills. They take in air present in the water. And air is filled in football, cycle tires, and swimming tubes. Air is also needed for burning. Now let us discuss the keeping the air clean. Children, dust, smoke and germs make the air dirty. You know very well. So breathing dirty air can make us fall sick. We should breathe fresh and clean air to stay healthy. So, we can keep the air fresh and clean by planting more and more trees and walking or using a bicycle instead of other vehicles that produce smoke. So, students, the summary of the chapter is moving air is called wind. Wind helps us in many ways. Depending on its speed, wind can be called a breeze, gale, or storm. Air contains water vapor, smoke, dust, and germs. And air takes up space and has weight. And we should always breathe fresh and clean air for good health. Thank you.